Welcome to the middle of April. Yeah, happy tax day. Also, a lot of you might be in the middle of spring break. We just got back from Carmel for a few days out there because Kate's on spring break. We've got a bunch of stuff to go over. We go over the numbers of what happened in Silicon Valley for the housing in March. Let's get into it. We had a wonderful, beautiful weather out in Carmel and Highlands Inn the past few days. Great time. If you haven't been down there, get down to Monterey and Carmel. You're going to love it. So much activities to see. We love the beach. We love the ocean and the views. Go see Carmel. So as you know, Kate is on the varsity team at Westmont in badminton. She's doing phenomenal. The team's doing great too. Also, here's a picture of Kate and I. Robin took our picture, but we were out picking up trash litter on our stretch of highway that we've had for the past 25 years on Highway 9 in Saratoga between Monte Sereno and downtown Saratoga. So next weekend on the 25th of April, we're having another client event. It's called Clearing Your Financial Clutter. We did this last year. It was a great success. Make sure you go to this event. It's here at our office from 10 to 12 noon on that Saturday. Jody Bridges, who's a fantastic financial advisor, helping you get out of debt. Make sure you go to this event. If you haven't let us know, DM me, call me, we'll get you there. 2 weeks ago, Tanya and I had our latest Connections Coffee Talk. We interviewed Sky Michaels. Now, Sky was the manager with Compass back in Philadelphia during COVID, who started the 6 a.m.ers organization, and which spread across the country. And that's how Tanya and I met. And we have collaborated and know hundreds and hundreds, probably over 1,000 agents that we're top agents that we collaborate with, and we love the organization. So make sure you go and watch our podcast, click the link. Another great interview that Tanya was on, that was interviewed by Sean Kunkler, who does a weekly podcast called Realtor 180. It's a great interview. It's really fun. It talks about how Tanya and I have utilized virtual assistants for the past 2 years for our business success. It's a great podcast and you'll really have a good time watching it. So here's the numbers for Santa Clara County in Silicon Valley that happened in March. In March, we had almost 2,000 homes that came on the market. About 150 of those were pulled off the market, withdrawn, or expired. Almost 900 of those are still active on the market. 566 have accepted offers but haven't closed, and almost 400 homes have actually closed escrow. And that's about 78% that of those homes that sold and closed were sold over the asking price, and 7 of those were sold over $1 million. So here's the monthly chart, month over the past quite a few years since beginning of 22, of the home sales each month. And last month in March, we had about 1,100 homes that were actually closed escrow. And you can see there was a nice jump from the month before, which is usually typical for March. So this chart shows how much over the average home in Santa Clara County is going over the asking price. You can see that we did take a jump up, but right now we're sitting about the average home about 5% over. So it's selling for about 105% over the price. So it's 5% over, which has been a nice jump. So this is the luxury market, the 5 million plus home here in Santa Clara County. You can see that we did a nice jump. Right now, last month we sold about 45 homes closed last month in the luxury market. So this is the overbidding. How many homes in Santa Clara County the last month have overbid, have gone over the asking price? Right now, we're sitting about 70% of the homes are selling for over asking. Not all of them, but some are. That's the average. So in the month of March in Santa Clara County, we had 1,044 homes actually close escrow. 700 of those were priced below $2 million. Between 2 and 3 million, we had 187 homes. And over the 3 million mark, we had 141 homes that were closed escrow, and 95 of those were sold over the asking price. So it's been busy. I can't tell you, we are getting calls from people wanting to sell their homes and getting them on the market this summer. It's going to be really busy this summer. We're prepping up at least 5 homes right now and working with a lot of buyers. We just got in contract last week with a home that was multiple offers. We were in another offer tonight. We are so busy. And so the market is really busy, even though all the concerns with what's going on with the war and the interest rates and the economy, people are still out there looking to buy and to sell their homes. Give us a call. We can help you. We would love to be your real estate agent, not just for now, but the rest of your life. Give us a call.